Hello everyone, welcome to Tech AI. So today in this video I will show you how you can install a free SSL certificate on your website. So here you can see that our website is in non-secure mode, so it means there is no SSL certificate enabled. So first you have to go to 0ssl.com. I will also give you the link in the description box and the comment box also. So here you need to sign up with a free account. So today I will demonstrate you how you can enable a free SSL certificate on your website with easy steps. So here you need to enter your details to register on this website. Okay, so here as we have registered, so we can use 3 certificates for 90 days, and after that we have to go to paid plan. So as of now we can use a free certificate. So you need to enter your domain name, enter the validity, and just select the plan which you want to start. So we choose free plan. Okay, you can follow along with the video. So here are 3 steps, 3 ways by which you can confirm your domain name. So you can choose the DNS mode, email verification mode, or HTTP file upload mode. So we will use file upload mode because it is one of the easy steps. All other steps are also easy. So here you need to create this path in your home directory. So let me show you how you can create this path. Follow along with the video, and if you have any questions you can feel free to write all your questions in the comment box and I will answer all the questions. So you have to go to your cPanel. If you want to learn how you can set up your cPanel, then watch our other video on the description box and also scroll our channel. So here you need to enable the hidden dot files. So just go to public HTML, and here this folder is already created by some other SSL certificate, so we need to replace this file. Okay, so let me show you again after uploading this file. So like you have to go to public HTML dot well known and dot pkl validation pki validation. So here you can see the file is uploaded successfully. So here I will click on next step. So now it will take few minutes to verify my domain name. So yes, the domain name is now verified. So congratulations, your domain name has been verified. So now we have to download the certificate, the SSL certificate, and then I will show you how you will upload this SSL certificate on your cPanel. Okay, so here I have downloaded it, and we need to check for installation after uploading the certificate file. Okay, so here is the certificate and we just extracted the zip file, and now we need to go to our cPanel to upload the certificate. So we have to go to the SSL folder, SSL TLS. Okay, so here let me just check, generate, no, manage, generate, view, upload and delete. Yes, here you can go generate. So here you need to upload a certificate. So let me show you how you can upload. You just click on the upload button and select the certificate. It shows that you have to select .crt extension. So here you need to enter your basic details. Okay, you just click on the upload button. So here you can see that the file is uploaded, and you just need to check the date of which you are uploaded. So after that click on the install button, and now click on install certificate. So here the private key is missing. So just go to the zip folder. Here you will find a private key file. So you just need to open this file in any text editor. So let me just open it in the Sublime. Okay, yes, here the Sublime, just open it, and here you will get the keys. Yes, okay, so just copy the key and paste it here in the private key part. Okay, and then just click on the install certificate button. now the certificate will be successfully installed in this domain name, and it will be also installed in the mail.domainname.com. so your mailbox will also be secured. So here you can see that the certificate has been installed and it is expired. So you can see that here are 90 days of expiry, and after that we can again download the certificate from that same Zero SSL website, because there we can download 3 free SSL certificates for 90 days each. Okay, so now you can see that this domain is now successfully working. So our SSL is completely installed, and you can see the padlock is also enabled. Okay, so this is the free certificate which I demonstrate you how you can install on your WordPress website or by using any cPanel. So you can also test that if your SSL certificate is working fine or not. You need to go to this website whynopadlock.com, and here you have to press your URL or domain name. Just complete the captcha verification. Okay, not a problem, let me just do it quickly. Yeah, fine. Now test page. Okay, so here it will test the SSL installation steps, or it will tell if there are any we can say points remaining while we are installing the SSL certificate. So guys, you can see that the certificate is successfully installed, and the issue date and expiry dates are mentioned on this page. So feel free to comment and ask if you have any questions regarding website development, SSL certificate, web hosting. So thank you everyone.